Alright guys, coming at you with another video today. It hasn't been a while. Let's see here. Put all the tin back on. Ooh, put a thing of bars leak in it. The radiator has stopped leaking. Runs very well. Idles at 500 RPMs very well. I already put one bottle of bars leak in it. But you can tell from before where all the old marks were right around, whoops, where's my finger? Right there. I mean, not marks, but leaks. But you can't see them anymore. You can't see them on video very well. Once I pull out there, I'll show you again what it looks like. But hasn't been a while. I had 40 minutes of footage, probably like the past month or two. And it's not lost, it's just that I can't edit it on the computer. It's like a different, I don't know. You had to pay for it or something. I didn't understand that. I didn't record it in the right format or something. But I hope this video records in the right format. And if it doesn't, I'll just put this up. And yeah, that's basically it. It needs to be dusted off a little bit. But everything, it looks really good. The tin up there looks really good. Yep, everything looks really good. I'll just start it here. Starts up quite easily. Let's close this back up. I don't got the thing in my pocket. Nope. So yeah, like I was saying, I can't really, I don't know if I'll be able to edit this, so this will be my only clip up on YouTube, or I'll just add more clips after I start the tractor up and talk about it. But I had like 40 minutes worth of footage, but it just not recorded in the right format or something. And here we go. I'll give it a little choke. I'll sit down there, you guys can hear it. It almost sounds like there's a little bit of a knock in there, but after it warms up, I'm pretty sure that fades away. Let's drive out of here and see if I can record more. It's just idling away right now. I think I had 1,000. It's not quite yet warmed up yet. I don't know if you can see there, but I was trying to look for any leakage in the radiator. I think it's pretty much all sealed up now. It almost sounds like it has a little bit of a knock when it's cold, but that's normal, I think. Or leave your suggestions in the comments, but I think that's normal for it to knock a little bit when it's just warming up. I think it's mostly away now. It's misfiring a little bit though. Other than that, it runs pretty well. Yeah, everything looks really nice. All the tin looks really nice. Just like everything looks a lot better than it did. bit of a misfire there. Should probably look into that a little bit more. Go down, go down, go down, go down, go down. Yep, but it sits high just a little bit above the watermark there in between, then it slides back down after the thermostat opens up. All the gauges work. Fuel gauge, oil gauge, amp gauge works. Well, not gauges, but lights work. Fuel filter light works. RPMs, hours. It's a little bit. I'm gonna go down there now. Yep, all gauges work, everything works. Lights work. Yep, there went down really fast. Thermostat open. Doesn't smoke anymore. I think I had it filled up too much, or it was at a point in the radiator that it didn't like it. But yeah, I think that's pretty much it. I don't know what else much to say. Go down, there we go. Go down, go down. Yeah, I adjusted the governor a little bit. Puts along at 500, but not well. Still puts along at 500. But other than that, I think I'm gonna let you guys go unless I can recover my old footage, and I'll throw that in here. So, and I'm also in Iowa, so a little bit by Cedar Rapids, and we got hit by that Dorado or storm a little bit. We took all of our trees and put them in a pile over there. That's all the footage I basically had, was like 50 or 40 minutes, well actually 20 minutes of tree stuff, and then 20 minutes before that of timing and bars leak, and I didn't have anything of putting the tin back on. I just put it on and wiped it all off because I already put splits on it, and I think it looks really nice, really nice. Just put on the fenders and the hood. Put on the dash, if you want to call it that, a little bit. Don't look too much different. Yep, I'll just leave you guys here. I'll record a little bit of footage of driving around in it. Put it in the second here. Around this corner here, and then I'll put in the 3. Yeah, I have no movement on the clutch down there, so I have to hold it. I literally have that much clutch adjustment. That's how bad the clutch is on this. It needs to be replaced badly, but it works. I came back over here and the spark wire plug popped out. It's kind of miraculous. Get back in there. There we go. Oh, it's wanting to come back out. Stupid thing. It's kind of weird. There we go. Oh, it's still wanting to jump out.